Hello, welcome to How to Draw Celtic Knots. I'm your host, Jason Bellchamber. Today I'd like to show you a simple repeating Triskele pattern found on page 29, folio 29, of the Lindisfarne Gospels. This is the second major decorated initial page from the Lindisfarne Gospels, and it's according to St. Matthew, and it marks the beginning of the Christmas story. You can see the pattern here repeating in blue, red, and then doubled and being even more intricate. I'm going to show you the steps in segment 1 how to draw this spine, and then in the second segment I'll show you how to color it in. What you're going to need is a ruler, a pencil, 2 thicknesses of marker, and an eraser. I prefer to use a mechanical pencil because the lead is so small, and they're fairly inexpensive now. I remember when they were somewhat uncommon. So what you do is you score both lines of your ruler, then you start to draw your grid by turning it perpendicular. And this is just a fast way to draw it, and it's a good size to practice because as you start doing the pattern over and over, you'll get used to it and you won't need the spine as much. But starting out with the spine means that you can grow. So what I'm doing is marking in the grids the points, somewhat similar to the 5th side of a 6-sided dice. So make each one the same, and just that consistency really fools the eye, and you can see it's a very pleasing pattern, and it seems somewhat organic. It's different when you do an illustration using a computer, but it's just a different style. So there's the center, so we've basically got the lighted spots, 5 points. Okay, so the pattern looks like this. This is exaggerated and then repeats every 2 steps. Once this connects to the other side, it repeats every 3 steps, but it's symmetrical. So what you want to do is in the center, instead of going parallel, do it on a slight angle and terminate it right underneath your score mark. So we repeat the first step. Now, from each end of this line, spiral the design like this. So first step, second step, third step. Now, take this line and join it on an angle like so, in between your score marks and the top, like this. So we're going to repeat step 3, there's step 2. Now, this line is going to continue on and intersect your design. So the last segment, do step 1, 3, and 4. So connect the bottom here. So this is the basic way to get this repeating pattern. So I'm going to end this segment here, and the next segment will be how to draw it in.